Hey everyone, this is Snapshot coming to you from somewhere in Switzerland above Lac Le Mans here in the background. And I quickly want to introduce myself. So I'm one of the co-founders of Glue. I'm originally Swiss and I moved to the US in 2007. And as an exchange student, I really loved it there. So I ended up staying for close to 12 years actually. So stayed in the US for a long time. Came from a middle-class background and had to make money, so I started several businesses. All of them didn't work until one did. Stuck with the one that did, grew it to about 55 million in revenue. Started a second business based on the tech that the first business had developed. That grew very, very rapidly as well, actually still growing really aggressively in the ad tech space. That first business has now about 30 employees, second business has about another 30. And yeah, that's kind of my origin story, I guess. And then started getting involved in crypto in 2015, did some mining. My roommate got really into it and I kind of got dragged along for the ride. So did that for a little while. I was working on a project that sadly didn't, the 2018, the bull market died before we got a chance to launch it. But so I was working on a project back then and have been super crypto interested ever since. I'm a lot more, I would say, on the tech and the product side. So I like Bitcoin, but I think really for me, the focus has always been the L1s, Ethereum, especially DeFi, big finance nerd. And I travel a lot. And so have been to all kinds of countries where to me, that's really where crypto is needed, right? In the US, where you have a good financial system, like it'd still be great to have, but I travel so much to countries all over the world that really, really need crypto. And so I think for me, that was always the inspiration to stay in crypto, to get really involved, and now to launch Glue. So I'm super excited to be along for the ride.